Hello guys, this is Ada here. How are you guys doing? Thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm going to share with you an effective eye cream that will get rid of dark under eyes, that will get rid of puffy eyes. So this is a DIY effective eye cream you want to learn how to make, and of course it's easy to come up with. The first thing you're going to do is to get 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. You can use the cosmetic aloe vera gel. Then you add half teaspoon of glycerin, then you mix. So this cream is going to plump your eyes. It's going to make you have this youthful look. So make sure you mix, the glycerin and the aloe vera gel very well, okay, until it's well incorporated. And the next thing you're going to do, okay, is to add pineapple extract, then mulberry extract. So these are skin brightening ingredient that will help to brighten up your eye area, that will help to make your eye area look bright and clear. So make sure that you incorporate it very well into the aloe vera gel. Then you add 3 capsules of vitamin A oil. Vitamin A oil is a very good oil. Then you add vitamin E oil and you're going to add olive oil. Then you mix and mix very well until it's well incorporated. So this mixture will give you a very good eye cream, and a very effective one at that. Okay, so if you have puffy eyes, if you have dark under eye circle, so this is a DIY and effective eye cream you should come up with. So make sure you incorporate and mix until it becomes creamy like so. So this is what you want to try out. If you've been using eye cream and it's not working for you, this is a recipe you can try out and it's going to give you an amazing result. So this is how it's going to look like. As you guys can see, you're going to get a thick cream like this. So transfer into a clean container and you're going to store this. So this is how it's looking like. Okay, all you need to do is to make sure that your face is clean when you must have applied your product. Okay, just make sure that you apply it under your eye area and leave it until it is well absorbed. Okay, so this is going to plump your eye area. It's going to give you this youthful look. It's going to clear dark under eye. If you have dark under eye, it's going to make that area very bright. And as you guys can see, it's very easy to come up with. Okay, so with this ingredient you can just come up with yours at home and you're going to see the amazing result. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.